Hello, my friends. This is the video that I made on Opendoor Technologies just 5 days ago, to be precise on September 24th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $7.09. And at this very point, my main assumption was that we have to see a bounce to the upside. You can see these three white arrows, and we might land somewhere around 7.85 or 8.43 and $8.9 marks. And right after that, we might have this type of trend reversal. We have to retest this sloping line as the range of support one more time, and potentially, if it breaks it to the downside, these two green rectangles might be the points of control from which this asset might have another bounces. And guys, take a look right here. We were at $7.09, and since I made my previous video, this asset went higher. It hit all three price targets that I marked in my previous video and had the trend reversal. And for now, guys, we are exactly at the crucial point for this asset. It will be a retest of this range again, and depending on the price action around this level, we might anticipate its next movements. So guys, as you can see, technical analysis works perfectly well, and if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, for now, you can join my Patreon account. You can join two tiers of my Discord group. One of them costs you $50 a month, and you will have 30-minute one-on-one Zoom call once a month. But if you join with the gold tier, you will have a weekly one-on-one training session with me for just $150 a month. And guys, to be honest, this is the most popular tier for my patrons right now. And let me show you a sneak peek on the most recent activity in the Discord group. Just recently, I published the recap of the week of July 28th through August the 3rd. And let me quote you this. On Monday, I prepared a list of 13 tickers that looked most promising for short positions. As of August the 6th, 10 of them delivered returns ranging from 0.33% to 24.4%, an average profit of 6.1%, while only 3 tickers showed a potential loss between 0.85% and 1.74%, an average loss of 1.22%. More detailed information is available in the attached images. And you can see that I made this call on July 28th, and I wrote, here's a list of tickers that might present shorting opportunities. Please remember, this is not a blind trade signal. Further technical analysis is required before taking actions. And here is the list of the tickers that gained substantial profits. It is 10 of them, and only 3 went in completely opposite direction. I also gave a direct short scalping recommendation on Tesla and Oracle. Both brought an average profit of around 1.5%. In addition, I identified one ticker suitable for a medium-term short position. If you'd like to know which company that is, join my Patreon. As usual, I provided a detailed market overview and analyzed the following tickers: SPY, BBAI, NOV, UNP, NEO, UAA, and CRWV. So guys, if you want to be a part of this amazing community, join my Patreon.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So, and on today's video, I will show you what should we do if this asset have a bounce out of this level, or if it has a breakout below this range. And definitely, I will show you even more fundamental details about this stock in general. So, let's begin with its fundamentals. First of all, I want to pay attention to the general sentiment that is surrounding this stock. And if you type in Google search bar open stock and switch to new stuff folder, you will see several recent news. And I want to pay attention to just a couple of titles and to one news in details. On Bloomberg, you can find this article that was published just 2 days ago, and that is titled "Hedge Fund Guy Lurks Around Drake's House Trying to Pump a Stock." And the second article is this one: Open Stock Soars 1,500% on CEO shift and AI buzz, yet $39 million settlement lingers. And you can see that well, these news and the titles of these news are quite impressive, but don't you think that it is completely opposite it is completely opposite titles by its definition? And let me show you the second article in details. Here is this article that was published just yesterday, and you can see that the key highlights of the stock is following: 1,570% stock surge in 3 months amid meme activity. New CEO Kas Neyatyan toots AI-powered future strategy. Aggressive rally contrasts with ongoing unprofitability. Analysts caution on margin compression and inventory risk. 39 million investor settlement over pricing algorithm misstatements persists. And guys, all these bullet points are not so bullish for the stock, because in general it means that right after this substantial growth in its price of more than 1,500%, and with all the problems that you can see in its fundamentals, the likelihood of its moving to the upside is not so high. The only reason why this stock had this substantial rally is the support from retail community. And for now, guys, if you take a look at the apewisdom.io website, which tracks the activity of Wall Street Bets community, you can see that Opendoor Technologies is on the 12th place among the all list of stocks and crypto assets. And it still has quite substantial support from Wall Street Bets community. On top of that, if you take a look at stocktweets.com website, you will not find this stock in the watchers section, but on the most active section, this stock is still on the 3rd place. And as long as these people are still interested in this stock, the price might go very substantially to the upside. But when these numbers vanish, you can rely only on its movement to the downside. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next on today's session? Definitely, I cannot predict what type of reaction you will see when this retest happens, and it is happening at this very moment. But as I told you in my previous video, we have to see this type of movement to the downside that potentially might retest these levels, these green rectangles. And yes, I believe that the likelihood of its breakout is a little bit higher than the bounce to the upside. But still, we have, wait a second, we have to be reactive on the market, not predictive. We don't have to predict its movements. We have to react on the current status. That is why, guys, we have two options. Option number one: if this asset on today's session has a bounce to the upside, and this bounce is substantially supported by the volume and by the price that is above, that will end today's session above previous swing highs, at least these two on the smaller time frame. In this case, it will be a decent opportunity to long the stock in the short term perspective, because in general, the next range of resistance will be at $9.18, and the next one, if this asset breaks this level, will be the retest of its swing high and double top pattern. But guys, if this asset breaks this range of support to the downside, and then if it has this type of movement, if it breaks it to the downside, then retest from the bottom as the range of resistance, and goes lower and even breaks this previous swing low, it will be a pure confirmation of its downtrend, at least medium-term downtrend. And in this case, most likely we will land at this first range of support somewhere around $6.27 and $5.6 marks. And yes, unfortunately I'm more bearish for now for this asset, but everything might change within a blink of an eye. That is why be cautious with your position and wait for more confirmation out of the price section itself. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm back.